Every year brings a fresh round of driver updates, but 2025 is shaping up to be a standout. Manufacturers have fine-tuned materials, shapes, and waiting to deliver more forgiveness, longer carry, and tighter dispersion without forcing you to completely change your swing. Whether you're a high handicap player looking for help off the tee or a lower handicap golfer wanting more control, there's something on this list that fits. In this video, we're covering the top 6 golf drivers of 2025, their standout features, and who they're best suited for. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Ping G440 Max. If you're the type of golfer who values forgiveness and consistency more than raw distance, the Ping G440 Max might be your kind of driver. Designed with mid to high handicappers in mind, this club focuses on making the most out of every swing, even the ones you don't quite flush. It starts with a high MOI, moment of inertia, construction. That means more stability at impact, especially on off-center hits. You'll notice less twisting on the midships and a better chance of staying in play when your swing isn't perfect. The 460cc head has a rounded, more traditional shape that's confidence-inspiring in address. Ping also integrated a tungsten back weight, which pushes the center of gravity deeper in the head to further improve forgiveness and launch consistency. You'll get adjustability through the loft sleeve, which offers about plus or minus 1.5 degrees of tuning to dial in your preferred trajectory. The crown has been slightly reshaped as well, designed to reduce drag and help maintain swing speed through impact. It's also noticeably quieter than past Ping drivers, with a deeper, more muted sound that feels solid and less hollow. This driver really shines for players who tend to hit the ball toward the heel or toe. While it doesn't quite deliver top-end ball speeds, what it offers is something just as valuable: predictable ball flight with fewer surprises. One thing to note, the club head is slightly on the heavier side. That might not appeal to slower squingers, but for those who can handle the weight, a payoff is a more stable, confidence-boosting experience off the tee. Number 5. Tour Edge Exotics E725. Tour Edge might not carry the same name recognition as some of the bigger brands, but the Exotics E725 driver makes a strong case for itself. This model is built for golfers who want near tour-level performance without jumping into the top pricing tier. It's a great fit for mid-handicappers looking for adjustability, consistency, and value in one package. The E725 features a titanium face with variable thickness zones to boost ball speed across a wider area. Even when contact isn't perfect, the face stays hot. On top, the carbon-wrapped crown works with Tour Edge's Ridgeback tech, a structural spine running from front to back to increase overall stability. The result is a head that resists twisting and keeps energy focused into the ball. In terms of adjustability, E725 includes 2 movable weights, 10 gram and 15 gram, located in the back and heel. You can shift them around to influence your ball flight or help square the face if you're dealing with a fade. The deep center of gravity contributes to a high launch with lower spin, making it easier to keep your drives in the air longer. Sound-wise, it has a higher pitched tone at impact. Some players will like the sharp, fast feel, while others may prefer a more muted response. It's mostly a matter of preference. If you're looking for premium-level materials and adjustability but don't want to pay flagship pricing, the Exotics E725 checks a lot of boxes. Its performance holds up against better-known drivers, even if it flies a little more under the radar. Number 4. Cobra DS-ADAPT Max-D. For golfers who fight a slice more often than they'd like to admit, the Cobra DS-ADAPT Max-D offers one of the most forgiving, draw-biased setups of the year. Designed with high handicappers and newer players in mind, this driver leans into technology that helps keep the ball left without forcing major swing overhauls. The Max-D in the name stands for maximum draw bias. Cobra has pushed the center of gravity toward the heel using adjustable internal weights that help the face close more easily through impact. That translates into a ball flight that starts straighter and curves less to the right. It's an excellent feature for anyone tired of watching tee shots tail off into the rough. The head features a lightweight carbon crown and sole, which keeps mass down and allows repositioning of weight in key zones. It's also shaped for reduced drag, which helps maintain speed even on slower swings. The aerodynamic build may not stand out visually, but it plays a subtle role in giving golfers more distance without needing more effort. Cobra's My Fly 8 adjustable loft system gives you 8 different settings, offering flexibility with launch height and spin. And like other Cobra models, it comes with a Cobra Connect grip that lets you sync the driver to your smartphone for shot tracking and performance feedback. Because it's so heavily biased toward a draw, this driver isn't ideal for players who like to shape shots in both directions. But if consistency and confidence off the tee are your priorities, the DS-ADAPT Max-D is built to help you find more fairways. Number 3. TaylorMade Qi35 Max. TaylorMade is calling the Qi35 Max their straightest driver ever, and the numbers back that up. With an MOI over 10,000, an all-time high for any TaylorMade model. This driver is all about minimizing dispersion and keeping your ball in the fairway, even when your swing isn't perfect. At the heart of the Qi35 Max is a carbon face that's been engineered for maximum energy transfer. Unlike traditional titanium faces, this lightweight material allows for better weight distribution across the head while still delivering strong ball speeds. Combined with the inertia generator in the sole, TaylorMade's signature aerodynamic shaping, the club is built to retain swing speed and launch the ball with minimal effort. The full-face scoreline pattern is another subtly helpful addition. It helps generate more consistent spin and launch conditions whether you strike at center, low heel, or high toe. For golfers who often miss the sweet spot, this feature adds an extra layer of forgiveness. Adjustability is offered via TaylorMade's loft sleeve, which allows for plus or minus 2 degrees of loft tweaking. The footprint and address is classic and confidence-inspiring with a slightly elongated shape that doesn't look overly stretched. It's designed to appeal to players who want modern tech without a design that feels oversized. This driver is clearly aimed at mid to high handicappers who want to hit straighter drives without constantly fighting their swing. While lower handicap players might find the feel slightly muted and the head a bit too stable for working the ball both ways, the Qi35 Max delivers exceptional forgiveness and fairway-finding consistency. Number 2. Callaway Elite. Callaway's flagship driver for 2025, the Elite, is built with a clear purpose: give skilled players more control without compromising on distance. Designed for low handicap and scratch golfers, this model focuses on precision, adjustability, and tailored ball flight rather than sheer forgiveness. At the center of it all is Callaway's AI Smart Face 3.0. This face is engineered to optimize launch and spin across different impact zones, meaning that even slightly off-center strikes maintain playable results. It's not just fast, it's smart, giving experienced players more consistent performance where they need it most. The multi-material chassis features carbon panels positioned in the toe and heel to shave weight and strategically redistribute it for balance and stability. Inside, Callaway's internal jailbreak stabilizers stiffen the body vertically, channeling more energy into the face at impact for improved ball speed. One of the standout elements is the sliding weight track along the sole. This lets players fine-tune their center of gravity location to promote a draw, fade, or neutral bias. Paired with the low-spin head design, the Elite is ideal for players who generate plenty of speed and want to optimize their launch conditions without adding spin. This isn't the most forgiving driver in Callaway's lineup. That honor still goes to models like the Paradigm X, but it's the most refined. If you're confident in your swing and looking for a driver that responds to what you put into it, the Elite delivers distance with a high level of shot shape and control. Number 1. Titleist GT3. The Titleist GT3 takes the top spot as the brand's flagship driver for 2025. Built with serious players in mind, this model blends precision, power, and adjustability into a compact tour-style profile. If you're a confident ball striker who wants full command over shape and trajectory, the GT3 gives you the tools to make it happen. Unlike its sibling, the GT2, the GT3 features a more compact 440cc head. The smaller profile is designed to appeal to better players who prefer a cleaner look at address and a head that can work both directions. At impact, the feel is dense and responsive, thanks in part to the ATI 425 face insert. This aerospace-grade titanium material is known for maintaining strength under high stress while delivering excellent energy return. The SureFit CG track system allows you to reposition weights to favor a fade, draw, or neutral bias. It's subtle but effective for dialing in a preferred shot shape. Add in the SureFit hosel with 16 loft and lie settings, and you've got a driver that adapts precisely to your setup and swing tendencies. Ball flight is naturally low spinning and piercing, ideal for fast swingers who want to control launch without adding unnecessary spin. While it's not the most forgiving head in the lineup, they offer something just as important: confidence for players who like to shape shots and feel connected to their strike. For golfers who don't need forgiveness baked into every swing, the GT3 is among the most refined options available this year. It's a driver that rewards a steady hand and rewards it well. Every golfer swings a little differently, and the right driver is the one that fits your game, not just the name on the crown. Whether you're chasing more distance, better accuracy, or more control, there's a solid option on this list for you. All the product links are in the description below. Let us know in the comments which driver you're leaning toward for your next round.